You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, this word, this type of ship correctly. This is also an English word, but originally Arab, from Arabic. The English pronunciation is pronounced as Dhow. Yes, I know the spelling makes it a bit confusing, but it's pronounced Dhow. How to say Dhow? It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.